Oh. Hebu angalia hiyo mlima, hebu angalia kwa mbali. The beauty, the stunning beauty. It's incredible, beautiful, picturesque. Yes, very serene. Just look at it and you love it. Wow, this is Takaba. The beautiful hills. Look at that. Wow, so beautiful, isn't it? And there is a dam. Below it is a dam. Yeah, it once broke its bank. Yeah, causing havoc around the area. But now it's waterless. Doesn't have water. It's located just beneath the hills. The beautiful hills. Rocks. In fact, these are rocks. Yes. Wow.